What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If that's something you like to listen to, we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can support our channel if you just like, share, comment down below. It helps our channel get out to a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. So for today, I wanted to make a really short video and let you guys in on some very valuable information. So just today, Citizens Bank just released a $1.5 million grant program for minority-owned businesses. And so Citizens Bank is actually a pretty sizable bank. I want to say they're like a mid-sized bank with almost $180 billion in assets under management. So they're releasing, I guess, a first round of grant funds up to 1.5 million dollars, but they have a total amount of $10 million allocated for as part of an ongoing effort to help minority-owned businesses in terms of economic viability and helping businesses sustain themselves. Because one of the, I guess, downsides of this whole economic stimulus PPP loans, I think there was some statistic like 95% of minority-owned businesses weren't able to get a loan or something along those lines, right? So I think this is a great program, that they're stepping in to kind of, provide some type of relief. And there's a lot of other large organizations out there who are offering different grant programs. I did a video several weeks ago about the PayPal grant program. So I just wanted to let you guys know about this. So in order to qualify, you have to have been in business for at least 1 year, and you have to be minority owned, at least 51% minority owned. And so, how they define that is anyone Asian American, Black American, Hispanic, or Native American. So that qualifies as a minority owner. So, in that individual or individuals have to have at least 51% ownership stake in the business. And so essentially, how it works is they have $1.5 million set aside for this round. And so each individual or each company rather will get $15,000 in grant funding. And so it's going to be 100 business, only 100 businesses. So that's basically how they're doing it. And in order to qualify, you do have to submit a 150 word essay. And basically, in the essay, you have to articulate how you plan to use these grant funds to sustain your business, as well as how will you use these grant funds to help your community. And then finally, how does your business and plan fit into Citizens Bank overall, theme and values. So they're going to be judging the essays on those three different components. So how you're going to use the grant funds to support and sustain your business, that's 40% of the evaluation. How you plan to use those funds to help your community, and then 20% is going to be how does your plan to use those funds fit into Citizens Bank overall value. So I'm gonna post a link in the description, so definitely check it out. I just wanted to let you guys know about this particular grant funding program. So they just released the application today, August 3rd, 2020, and they will be accepting applications until Friday, August 7th. So there's not that much time, right? And it's not that much funds to go around, but definitely, check it out. I mean, if you're a good writer, you could definitely just give it a shot, see what happens, and go from there. So, no harm, no foul. So, yeah, definitely check it out. I'm gonna post a link in the description of the video. And yeah, I mean, I think this is another great program, and I hope to see a lot more of these types of grant funding programs, because there are a lot of businesses out here right now who could definitely use an extra $15,000. So definitely go check it out. There's a link in the description. That's all I wanted to share for this video. Until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.